जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, कह रहा हूं किस बात के लिए सर, ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ इसलिए नेम कर देंगे?
नहीं, अजय माकन जी
सर, आप कभी सर, मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं सर, आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, सुनिए आप बैठे क्यों हुए सर, प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
इवन आफ्टर दैट मीटिंग आई माई सेल्फ रेड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ इट and then I found, no, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate, please.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji, it is better the same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
I will do
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, Ghanshyamji has raised the status of Mallikarjunji Kharge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyamji. And that is what he has spoken. And that is what I have seen. And I am grateful to Leader of Opposition, Mallikarjunji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Both of them, honorable members, one has experience of more than 5 decades. The other has experience of more than 4 decades. But I am trying to put the house in order. Why should a member of this side, without make a reference, without getting permission of the LOP? Again. Chair has not given you permission. No, I thought you were supporting Pramod Tiwari on that rail link. So I thought I thought you are associating yourself. So I thought it's a good thing. If a member associates with someone, I encourage it. Can in any case. Sir, Pramod ji, no, sir. Pramod ji, all you are saying is that Ghanshyam ji praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji to a very height. He should again praise it. No, he should again do it. Sir, this is not done. This is not done. Honorable members, I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions, and expressing to me that he is prepared to apologize if he has transgressed in any manner. I have read it carefully. Not only there was no transgression by Sri Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, he embellished the well-deserved reputation of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and therefore, if a member of this house with about 4 decades of parliamentary experience praises another member with 5 decades of experience, it's a joyous moment for us, quietus to the issue. I need not come back to the house on this issue. Question number 1. Okay, but sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the house, if I express gratitude to the, if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Would any member of this house, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance.
जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, मैं बताता हूं।
दे भी दिया।
नहीं, सुनिए प्रमोद जी, घनश्याम तिवारी जी was speaking in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. One second. No, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूं किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे?
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी, सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, आप बैठे क्यों हुए? सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए। नहीं, सुनिए, नहीं, राजीव प्लीज टेक योर सीट। राजीव जी टेक योर सीट। Rajiv ji, take, nothing is going on record. Now take it. Honorable members, would any honorable member of the House please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the House say so? How can a member of this House take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun's perception may be different. A member rises. He doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to... Sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा। परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record and
you know it.
Take your seat. Nothing is going. I request the senior members of Congress Party, the honorable member, totally ignorant of what was spoken. Can someone ask him to keep quiet? Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Can leader of the opposition ask your member to be quiet? Sir, nothing. Question number 196. Sushri Sushmita Sen. No, sir. No, sir, we can't have a running discussion on this. No, sir. Give in writing if there is an issue. No, nothing. Absolutely. Question number 196. Sushmita Sen. Please. Nothing.
You are speaking in the chamber. Instead of that, you should explain in house what we have spoken there. It should be told here. Then honorable member.
Because I have not given permission, nothing is going on record. It will be on if I give permission. I will not. Oh, Mukherjee. Honorable members, क्यों ज्यादा नहीं करनी चाहिए? एक बार कर दी खत्म होनी चाहिए। One second. Take your seat. Let us proceed with the question hour. No, please, please. No one. Only Mr. Tiruchi Shiva. No one else.
Observations.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, Mr. Tiruchi. What is your observation, Mr. Tiruchi?
Sir, number one, sir, kindly whenever the leader of opposition gets up, give him the floor, sir, and listen to him, what he wants to do. That's my first request, sir. Second is, sir, as Mr. Tiwari told here, what I inferred because the what transport was in Hindi. Sir, Pramod Tiwari, not that Tiwari, sir. No, sir. I recall, sir, one day Mr. Chidambaram asked you, how 267 notice was preceded by another motion? How can you do that? And you were agitated. Because how can you ask, how can you do that? Sir, I told them, it is not how can you do that? How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being, something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.
Fine. Jaji, fine? Okay. One second. No. Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ़ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. One second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. No. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jayaji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, don't applaud now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Khargeji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay. Get going. I know you want to destabilize the entire nation. Yes. You are out to create chaos in the house. Nothing else is going on record. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Khadge, as epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of Constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to Constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty. Honorable members, they don't want to participate. They know how to create only chaos. I am surprised. Absolutely. The nation is a priority.